In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Shopify store name. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, choose the store for which you want to update the name. After selecting the correct store, look at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen and click on the Settings option. You'll now be in your store's Settings page. By default, you should land on the General section, but if not, make sure to click on it. In this section, you'll see your current store name displayed clearly on the screen. Next to it, you'll find a pencil icon. Click on that icon to begin editing. Remove your current store name and type in the new name you'd like to use. Once you've entered the new name, click the Save button to apply your changes. You'll briefly see a message that says Settings Saved, confirming the update was successful. You can now close this settings window and simply return to your main dashboard. Your updated store name will now be visible at the top right-hand corner of your screen. If you have multiple stores and want to change the name of another one, click on your store name drop-down, select the next store, and repeat the same steps. And that's how you can change your store name in Shopify.